Welcome to Beautiful Home Design Ideas. Spring is in the air, and that means it's time to refresh our homes with light, joyful decor. Easter is the perfect excuse to get creative with your tablescapes, bringing in fresh florals, charming details, and festive whimsy to make your home feel warm and inviting. Whether you're hosting an elegant Easter brunch, a cozy family dinner, or just want to add seasonal charm to your space, the right centerpiece will set the tone beautifully. In today's video, I'll be sharing 5 stunning Easter centerpiece ideas that are guaranteed to wow your guests and make your home feel like springtime magic. Get ready for a mix of rustic charm, vintage elegance, and playful whimsy, something for every style. Let's dive right in. And in first place at us, classic Easter garden arrangement. Nothing captures the essence of spring like a lush floral centerpiece bursting with fresh blooms. For a classic Easter look, use a mix of pastel-colored tulips, daffodils, hyacinths, and baby's breath. Arrange them in a vintage ceramic vase, a rustic wooden box, or even a charming wicker basket for a touch of countryside elegance. To add a festive Easter twist, tuck in speckled eggs or tiny faux birds' nests between the flowers. The combination of soft florals and Easter elements creates a dreamy, fresh-from-the-garden feel that instantly elevates your table. Next up is the classic whimsical bunny and egg display. For a playful and charming centerpiece, let's bring in some adorable Easter bunnies and eggs. Start with a decorative tray or a low wooden dough bowl and fill it with a bed of moss, pastel eggs, and ceramic or plush bunnies. Add a few mini flower arrangements in dainty teacups or small bud vases to bring in some natural beauty. To take it up a notch, you can place candle holders with soft pastel taper candles around the display for a warm, inviting glow. This look is fun, festive, and perfect for creating an enchanting Easter tablescape. Well, how can we ignore the elegant path of candles and flowers? If you love timeless and sophisticated decor, this idea is for you. A candle and floral table runner instantly creates a stunning focal point. Start with a long garland of greenery like eucalyptus, ivy, or faux cherry blossoms, then weave in delicate pastel roses, peonies, or hydrangeas. Next, place pillar candles in glass hurricanes or vintage brass candle holders along the runner for a soft, glowing ambience. Want to make it even more festive? Nestle in some decorative gold or pastel-painted eggs among the greenery for an elegant Easter touch. This design is perfect for a formal Easter brunch or dinner party, bringing an air of refinement to your table. Before we move on, I'd love to know, which of these centerpiece ideas is your favorite so far? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. It really helps support my channel, and I'd love to have you here for more seasonal decor inspiration. Now I would like to offer you an idea to use an Easter basket in a rustic style. If you love that cozy, country-inspired look, a rustic farmhouse Easter basket is the way to go. Find a beautiful woven basket or a charming wooden crate and fill it with spring florals, sprigs of lavender, and natural raffia. Add in painted wooden eggs, twine-wrapped eggs, or even DIY decoupage eggs for a personal touch. For an extra farmhouse feel, tuck in a few small ceramic hens or a vintage-inspired bunny figurine. This relaxed yet festive arrangement works beautifully for a casual Easter gathering and can double as a stunning decor piece for your kitchen or entryway. And finally, a minimalist chic Easter bowl. For those who appreciate a more modern, understated look, a minimalist Easter bowl centerpiece is a perfect choice. Use a large, shallow ceramic bowl in white, beige, or soft gray, and fill it with a mix of dyed eggs in muted tones, dried flowers, and delicate feathers. You can even add a few simple taper candles in clear or neutral holders for an effortlessly elegant look. This style keeps things clean and contemporary while still embracing the warmth and joy of Easter decor. Easter is such a special time to refresh our homes and celebrate with loved ones, and a beautiful centerpiece can make all the difference in setting the mood. Whether you love classic floral elegance, rustic farmhouse charm, or whimsical Easter fun, there's a centerpiece idea here to fit your style. I hope this video has inspired you to create a festive and inviting space for the season. If you try any of these ideas, I'd love to see your creations. Share them in the comments or tag me on social media. And of course, if you haven't already, subscribe for more home decor tips and seasonal styling ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy Easter and happy decorating!